Nice to meet you, bro. I'm Damer.
Harry.
Damer, Luke. Nice to meet you, bro. What time is it? It's like 3 p.m., yeah?
Yeah.
So tomorrow you can finish 4 p.m., something like that.
Okay.
Está bacana la camisa del Nacional del Vale, ¿eh? Un día cada una. 24 hours, everybody, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
And when was your last time driving, bro? Bike?
About a year ago. No, in Vietnam.
A lot of traffic, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, loads.
But here it's really quiet, it's so quiet.
My helmet?
Bro, this.
No.
This one. O sea, tú dejaste las otras llaves allá. Ay. Bro, this guy forgot the key in the office. So you can, where are you gonna be? And we can bring the bike to you.
They forgot the key at the office.
Oh, bro, if you're going to that way, we can give you the key there. Are you going to that way or where are you going? But what's the name of the place? Palomino is that way. So let's go. But go with one of them.
A ver, si tú ves que
Uy.
no puedes llegar, que sabes que está allá. Y tú me dices cualquier esa.
Pero yo te digo, hey, pide la llave que la vamos a necesitar.
Ay, ¿cómo haces?
Vamos a empujar esa moto. Vean este ayudante. Se le olvida la llave en la oficina. Cuando ya la iban a entregar. Ahora tenemos que ir allá, buscar la llave y entregársela allá al cliente. Porque ir, traer la llave hasta acá y después regresar otra vez, eso es más. Y más demora para el cliente y todo. Ya vienen para acá. Bro. No.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome, bro. Enjoy. De nada, amigo. De nada.